Hello, welcome to our channel to learn Chinese language and characters. In last video, we have learned that there are 8 basic strokes in Chinese characters. We also learned how to write heng or horizontal by writing 3 characters, 1, 2, 3, which mean 1, 2, 3. Today we are learning how to write shu or vertical. Shu or vertical is very simple to write. Pick up your pen, draw a straight line from top to bottom, and this is vertical. However, no Chinese character is made up of only vertical strokes. It must be combined with other strokes to form Chinese characters. Let's practice writing vertical by 6 simple characters. The first character is shi, which means 10 or 10th. Write heng or horizontal first, then write shu or vertical. Horizontal before vertical, this is another rule of writing Chinese characters. The second character is Gong. Gong is a pictograph. In the oracle bone inscription, Gong looks like a hammer used to build walls. So its original meaning is tool. Its extensional meaning is work, job, or worker. Please follow me to write 3 times. The third character is tu, which is also a pictograph. In the oracle bone inscription, tu looks like a lump of earth. So its original meaning is earth, dirt, or soil. Its stroke order is the same as gong. Please follow me to write 3 times. The fourth character is shi, which is also a pictograph. In the bronze inscription, shi looks like an axe. The person holding an axe is a soldier, so the original meaning of shi is soldier. In ancient times, only men could become soldiers, so it can also refer to man. The soldier is noble and able, so shi can mean gentleman or scholar. Its stroke order is the same as gong and tu. Please follow me to write 3 times. The fifth character is Wang. This character was also originally a weapon like an axe, used to symbolize military power in ancient China. The person who could command the army was the king or queen or prince. At the same time, Wang is the #1 family name in China. There are more than 100 million people surnamed Wang in mainland China. It is said that people surnamed Wang are the descendants of kings in ancient times. Please follow me to write 3 times. The 6th character is Feng, which is also a pictograph. In the oracle bone inscription, Feng looks like a plant with swelled or enlarged roots. If the roots of taro or potato swells, it means a good harvest. And after a good harvest, there is abundance. Harvest and abundance are the meaning of Feng. Please follow me to write 3 times. Well, today we learned how to write vertical. We also learned 6 Chinese characters made by combining horizontals and vertical. They are 时, Gong, 土, 是, Wang, Feng. Please read after me. 时, Gong, 土, 是, Wang, Feng. We also learned another rule of writing, that is horizontal before vertical. Horizontal before vertical. Please look at these characters closely, except for 是. The bottom horizontal of Gong, 土, Wang, and Feng is a little longer than the top horizontals, because this makes the characters look more beautiful.